Hi, this is Sri from Techie Talks AI. Welcome to day 17 of our Amazon AWS Developer Certification series. And in this series, we will look at EventBridge Deep Dive, EventBridge Deep Dive. The topic is event routing, rules, goal. By the end, you should understand how EventBridge works like a smart traffic controller for events. Amazon EventBridge is a serverless event bus that receives events from AWS services, custom apps, or SaaS apps and routes them to targets such as Lambda, SQS, SNS, step functions, CloudWatch Logs, and more. AWS describes an event bus as a router that receives events and delivers them to zero or more targets. Imagine Amazon receives an order. What should happen next? Send email, update inventory, notify delivery team, start payment workflow, store order record. Should one big program do all this? No, that becomes tightly coupled and hard to maintain. Better approach, one event happens, like a new order. Many services react independently. That is where EventBridge becomes powerful. Big idea in one line, EventBridge is a smart event router. It listens for events like order placed, file uploaded, EC2 instance stopped, payment completed, user signed up. Then it asks, does this event match any rule? If yes, send it to the correct target. What is an event? An event is a small JSON message saying something happened, like the source, detail, and detail type and detail, order ID, customer, amount. Is this a command or a fact? It is a fact. It does not say send email now. It says order placed happened. Other services can decide what to do. What is event routing? Event routing means receive event, check rules, send to matching targets. Simple example, order placed event reaches EventBridge. EventBridge checks the rule, source equal to myapp.orders, target Lambda function. EventBridge rules decide which events should send. EventBridge rules decide which events should be sent to which targets. A rule can match incoming events and send them to target for processing. What is a rule? Rule is like a filter. It says, if event looks like this, send it there. Example rule pattern, source is myapp.orders, detail -type order placed. Meaning only match events from myapp.orders where detail type is order placed. Event patterns define which event fields EventBridge uses to decide whether an event should go to a target. If the event pattern matches, EventBridge sends the event to the target. What is a target? Target is the service that receives the event. Common EventBridge targets, Lambda, SQS, SNS, step functions, CloudWatch Logs, API destination, another event bus. AWS says a target is a resource or endpoint that EventBridge sends an event to when a rule matches. EventBridge is like a school notice board plus a smart PO. Notice arrives, science exhibition registration opened. EventBridge checks rules, science teacher should know, principal should know, student should know. Then it sends the notice to the correct people. The notice sender does not need to know who all should receive it. That is loose coupling. Architecture diagram, custom app, AWS service, create the event JSON, EventBridge reaches EventBridge event bus, rule matches event pattern, target Lambda, SQS, SNS, logs, or step functions. Let's start the demo. We will create a custom EventBridge that listens to an event called student registered. So I am in the EventBridge landing page. Click on create rule. We'll give it a name, student registered rule, and description, it is good to have a descriptive description. Route students registered events to CloudWatch Logs. So simple event. And event bus default. Click on next and select role with an event pattern. Here we can click on edit event pattern and enter this JSON. So TicketTalks AI.students is the source. Detail-type is student registered. So this is who sent the event, and detail-type is what kind of event happened. We will click on next, target type, AWS service, and we can choose CloudWatch log group. And we will give the log group name /EventBridge/students. And click on next. No need for tags, create role. Now from command line, we will send a test event. AWS events, put events, entries, source, TicketTalks AI.student, detail type, student registered, detail, student, STU101, name, Anu, course, AWS developer. Event bus name, default. Let's execute and see what happens. Okay, so it's successful. Okay, event ID we got. Here, what does failed entry count 0 means? This means the event was successfully accepted by EventBridge. Now, on another tab, let's come to CloudWatch Logs. Logs, log management. Log group, see here, our event log group. And see here, we have one log stream. So this is the event. Let's expand it. See here, detail, student STU101, Anu, AWS developer. So from EventBridge, since it matched the role, the event reached the CloudWatch logs, which was the destination that we mentioned. What happens if I send a different event? Let's try it. So here, detail type, student cancelled, not student registered. So this should not match, right? Let's execute. So there is no fail count. So this event has been accepted. But since the rule did not match, it should not send it to our event group. Let's click on it. Let's refresh. See here, that event did not reach. So EventBridge it's a very important point for the exam. EventBridge may accept the event, but only matching rules route the event. So now nothing will happen to this event which did not match. So what we will do is, we will add one more rule variation. EventBridge rules, student register rule is there. Create another rule. Okay. We will call this student cancelled rule. Description optional. Next. We will click on edit pattern, and this time we will TicketTalks AI student cancel is the detail type. Okay, so target AWS CloudWatch log group, and we will create another log group called EventBridge/student cancelled events. We could have also selected an existing event, but this is another type of event. Better to send it to a different target. Okay, click next and click on create rule. So we have two rules now. Will our second event reach here? No. We have to send it again. No, actually, this is not the log group. We have to go to the cancel events log group. Okay, see here, it has reached. Okay, change batch. Let's send one more. Yeah, second one also reached. EventBridge versus SNS. Main difference, SNS is mainly for fan out notification. EventBridge is for event routing and filtering. Main idea, SNS publish message to subscribers. EventBridge routes events using rules. So there are no subscribers, there are only rules. Filtering in SNS, basic message filtering. In case of EventBridge, rich event pattern matching. And SNS is best for notifications and fan out. EventBridge is best for event-driven architecture. And SNS can have sources, apps, services, publishing to a topic. And EventBridge can have sources of AWS services, apps, SaaS, and custom events. SNS targets are subscribers. EventBridge targets are many AWS targets and endpoints. SNS says, I have a message, send it to all interested subscribers. EventBridge says, I have an event, let me inspect it and route it intelligently. When to use EventBridge when you want rule-based routing. You want to react to AWS service events. You want custom app events. You want loose coupling between services. You want event filtering based on JSON fields. You may later add more consumers without changing the producer. Example, order placed, billing Lambda, inventory Lambda, delivery workflow, analytics pipeline. Order service only emits the event. It does not need to know who listens. When to use SNS when you want simple pub sub. You want to send notification to email, SMS, Lambda, SQS, HTTPS endpoint. You want fan out messaging quickly. Example, system alert, email, admin, SMS support team, send to SQS queue, etc. Important exam interview traps. Trap 1, EventBridge stores messages like SQS. Wrong, EventBridge routes events. SQS stores messages in a queue until consumers process them. Trap 2, SNS and EventBridge are the same. Wrong, SNS is simpler PubSub, EventBridge is smart event routing. Trap 3, a rule runs only on schedule. Wrong, EventBridge rules can match event patterns. Scheduled rules also exist, but in this lesson, we focus on event pattern rules. Trap 4, if EventBridge accepts an event, every target receives it. Wrong, only matching rules send events to targets. Memory hook, EventBridge formula, event plus rule is target action. Or something happened, does it match? Send it there. Mini quiz. What is EventBridge? A serverless event bus that routes events to targets using rules. What is a rule? A rule checks whether an event matches a pattern and then sends it to a target. What is a target? Destination service that receives the event, such as Lambda, SQS, SNS, or CloudWatch Logs. What is event routing? Sending events to correct target based on rules. EventBridge versus SNS in one line. SNS broadcasts messages to subscribers. EventBridge routes events intelligently using rules. Quick revision, EventBridge is smart event router. Event bus is place where events arrive. Event is JSON saying something happened. Rule is filter condition. Target a destination service. Event pattern is JSON matching condition. Final summary. Today we learned that EventBridge is not just a messaging service, it is a smart event router. Your app sent a student registered event. EventBridge checked the rule matched the source and detail type. Then EventBridge send the event to CloudWatch Logs. When we send student cancelled, first rule ignored it because it did not match. That is the beauty of EventBridge. Producer simply announce what happened and consumers react independently. Homework challenge, create 3 custom events, student registered, payment completed, certificate issued. create 3 rules: student registered rule, payment completed rule, create certificate rule. Send each event to a different CloudWatch log group. And the challenge question: can one application emit many business events without directly calling many services? Answer is yes. That is EventBridge architecture. Thank you for your time. Give your valuable comments. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.